Hi guys, welcome back to the Dutch Pilot Girl channel where I take you along on my flights and live as an airline pilot. Today I'll take you along to the island of the Arancini, Cannoli and of course Mount Etna. Welcome to the capital of Sicily, Palermo. Before we continue, I'd like to thank DeleteMe for partnering with me on this video. Did you know that your personal data like your name, address, phone number and even details about your relatives is being bought and sold by data brokers every single day? Data brokers collect and sell your private details, making them accessible to anyone who wants to buy them. This can put you at risk for identity theft and phishing scams. Thankfully, there's a service out there called DeleteMe, which removes your personal data from hundreds of these data broker websites. The process is super simple. You just sign up, fill out your profile, and within days you get your first privacy report. It shows exactly where your information is being shared and what's already been removed. Plus, they keep working year-round to make sure your data stays private. After reviewing my personal report, I was shocked by the number of pages on websites collecting my data. Even though I thought I was careful about sharing my personal information, it didn't seem to matter because these websites somehow still managed to get my data. With platforms like DeleteMe, you can take back control of your own personal data being shared and sold online. And if you're also ready to protect your online privacy, simply go to joindeleteme.com/DutchPilotGirl and use the promo code DutchPilotGirl at checkout to get 20% off. En als je dan toch naar Sicilië gaat, huur dan gelijk een auto en maak een eilandtour. Er is zoveel mooie natuur, leuke stadjes en mooie strandjes die je moet zien. Maar ja, oké, nu eerst Palermo.
$2,500. Approaching minimums. 1,000. Minimums. Hundred, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.